How to hide WhatsApp chat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide WhatsApp chat. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up WhatsApp and you'll get an interface like this. Now tap and hold on the chat that you want to hide. I'll just tap and hold here on one here. Simply tap and hold, and at the top of your screen, once you hold it, you'll find the option archive there. You can see a little download type arrow facing downwards icon there. Simply tap on it and you can see your chat has been archived and it won't be shown on your chat list here. You can open it up by simply heading into archived option here and you'll be able to view it here. Now this is the only way you can hide chat on WhatsApp. However, if you want to set up biometrics or if you want to lock your WhatsApp to prevent it from others from viewing it, what you can do is simply tap on three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings. Once on settings, what you want to do is head into privacy option here, and if you scroll down all the way down below, you can see the option fingerprint lock. Now if you don't have fingerprint lock on your device, you'll find the option app lock here. Simply enable this and your WhatsApp will be locked, and every time you try to open it, you'll have to pass the security measure or you'll have to unlock it. So this way no one else will be able to access your WhatsApp as well. So this way you can hide your WhatsApp chat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.